Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how you can grow your TikTok fast and efficient. If you haven't already, make sure to follow me over on TikTok. It's just at Bash Davidson. I'll leave the link down below too for you guys to just click and follow me. It will really help me out. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at the end of this video, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Let's get right into it. So first, we need to make sure we're covering the basics. Number one, you need a very good profile picture. Number two, you need a short and sweet bio. And number three, make sure to attach your Instagrams or YouTubes if they are related to it. Now, the next thing you need to do is follow the trends. Go on the For You page and check all the trends that are trending on that day, and then you can come up with ideas of your own. So this can mean that you take a trend and give it your own little spin on it and upload it onto TikTok. Now, don't be discouraged if your first 2 or 3 videos don't blow up. It's all about keeping consistent and making sure you're uploading regularly. Ideally, the video should be 8 to 15 seconds long. You also need to make sure you're using trending songs and sounds. This is also what allows you to get on the For You page and make sure it's seen by the wider audience. You also need to make sure that you're using the trending hashtags or relevant hashtags to the post that you're posting. If you post with hashtags that are not relevant to your post, you will not see your views go up, because the way the TikTok algorithm works is as soon as you put your post up, it uses the hashtags that you've put in your caption to show it to the viewers that are viewing that type of content. And if they seem to like it, for example, they'll show it to 50 people. Those 50 people like it, they'll push it to 100 more people. And then if those 100 people like it, that's when it starts pushing it to more and more people. So if your like rate in the first 150 views is very low, it means it won't get pushed out to any more people. So you need to make sure that the right people are seeing your content. You also need to make sure you're engaging with big players' posts. Make sure to leave funny comments underneath other people's posts. That's another way of also getting more engagement on your page. And as soon as you hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, you need to start going live regularly and make sure you're doing it consistently with every time you post. You also need to be cross-promoting your content across other social medias that you have, whether that be Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, it doesn't matter. So with that being said, make sure to follow me on TikTok. You also need to use relevant and engaging thumbnails. That's also how you can bring in your audience as soon as they land on your page. Now, this one is very important. As the king of TikTok would say, Gary Vee himself, be consistent. I hope you did enjoy those tips and tricks on how to grow on TikTok. If they did help you out, make sure to share it with a friend. If you did like the video, make sure to leave a like down below. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're not already, make sure to hit that big subscribe button for me. And if you're already subscribed, make sure to hit the bell notification to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.